Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an oil painting on location. The benefit of that is I can capture this natural beauty and this natural lighting that only your eye can see. A camera can't quite capture it. And if this painting works out, I'll do a bigger version in the studio. Let's get to it. So this is one of my favorite things to do, and it's called plein air painting. That's a term from the French Impressionists, which basically means painting in the plain outdoor air. Basically, instead of painting from a photograph, I'm painting from the actual source. And the best part about this is the weather changes really quick. You're constantly getting eaten by bugs, and that way you're forced to paint really quick, and that way the work can really turn out unique and really impressionistic and fun. It's also super exciting because as the sun changes, I can kind of capture that perfect moment in the painting. And yeah, I just love coming out here.